If you've been following along, you will know that we are a family sailing channel, not a fix-it channel. But life still happens out here on the water. Things need to get fixed, with a little fun splashed in between surfing the waves in this episode. You're a really good videographer there, Lily.
I couldn't find the stick, so I just got the camera.
Ooh!
Wow.
Yeah, you got a picture of this?
Yeah.
That ain't good.
This is wine. This is marine plywood.
Was.
Such a bummer.
Now why?
Yeah.
Why?
Because it's not wet here. It's not wet here.
Because look at this. They didn't epoxy it. They didn't put resin. You always coat it with resin before you put it down. You get it wet, sandwich it together, because then it doesn't let the water.
Suck it in, right?
Yeah.
There's a crack in that. Can you see the crack over here, Kevin?
Where?
In the lid that you just took off?
All right, huh?
Yeah. But that's my guess. Is if you look at this, there's no resin in this. See what I'm saying?
Oh,
Well, then maybe
Just a little bit.
it looks like they tried. Well, still, that's not much. You gotta. What is that? That fiberglass down there?
Yeah.
Alright, I moved some of the dust. Can you see in there?
The chop strand. And then
That is all dry wood. That is dry as dry can be.
then lay your.
Dry as dry can be. That is all dry. Just the light outside is giving a weird discoloration and some kind of shading, but that is all dry.
So I think you're. And then once we've got some.
Farther. The V of the wetness was about right here, and then Kevin cut even farther down than that. That is inside. That is inside of this area in our bedroom. Okay, so here's a better perspective. If you noticed when I was in the bedroom, there was this space. Because that is what it all needed to be. This is all dry. Dry. This compression post right in here. And then this is the part of the bulkhead. And can't get the camera in there, but you saw from the other side. Dry, 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 dry. Let's see if I can get it to focus. Dry, dry. Okay, the camera's making that look different in color, but that is dry, 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 dry. So basically this was veneer, and then fiberglass, then balsa wood, then fiberglass. So basically, walk around and ask for a guy named Kendrick.
That's what I'm doing. I asked. He's in the wood shop? Welding shop?
Oh, there's a building out here?
There's a welding shop.
Oh, okay. So Kevin, how does it work on the islands? We just walk around and ask for a guy named Kendrick?
That's exactly what we did.
Okay.
And he said, go down here, make a right. By the first building, make a left. Why?
By the first building, make a left?
Over there to you.
No. Maybe it's down here. What do we need done?
We need this foot level.
It's a little crooked. There's another building. No?
You're a grinder, but that's the other one.
I think we found Kendrick. What?
These are spirit animals. Corals or surfboards. Go let it hit.
What?
Yeah. We're looking for something to do. Just came to say hi. And we're like, well, we have surfboards we could take out.
And where are we going to take these surfboards to?
There's some surf spot.
Oh my gosh.
So we're going to learn to surf. She said it's pretty easy. You just got to start on your belly and we'll figure it out.
Okay.
And she said these are the best. They said these are the best to learn.
Good for you guys. So fun. Okay.
And then next time we bump into them or see them, they're gonna give us some hats and merch. Okay.
Okay.
They said
Okay.
they were $100 like each. So like, where did they buy them?
I don't know, but that's pretty cheap. Did you tell me what you were over there doing? I thought you were getting something for Dad.
They didn't have any. They didn't have it.
Okay.
So we stopped at the mast and then stopped there.
I forgot that was the point of going over there.
So funny.
We didn't have any mercy for the boat. They're just like,
Okay.
they're just gonna pressure wash.
All right.
Grinders and was like,
His sister.
I'm gonna have them bring merch and they're gonna drop by the boat.
Now they have Dad's number.
And I gave him Dad's number.
Okay. Okay. So fun. Okay.
To do something today.
All right.
Tell Dad.
Okay, go ahead. Oh my gosh. So now we need to get you over there to go surfing.
I'm gonna be able to surf at 11 years old. I'm gonna be good at it.
All right. That's good confidence to go by.
I'm gonna be good at it.
If you ever get a chance on the surfboard.
I know, right?
You look exhausted, Chloe.
Can I fire her?
What happened? Yahoo!
Stole the camera!
Hey, you
Stole my view!
Yahoo!
No, get out of my way.
No! Ow! That hurt! That was metal! Take it up.
Took me overboard.
We almost went over.
You left mom.
Left mom.
I was trying to.
Well, then you pull yourself in.
I was trying to pass my water off.
Fire. Let's leave her here.
Bye!
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Mother's gonna get.
This is gonna get wet, Dad.
Yep,
Okay.
I know.
Oh no. Oh no.
Oh, that one here.
That one's like sick. Sort of.
Oh, it's just.
Dang it. Oh no, Mom.
What?
I got started.
You what?
I got started.
You didn't have the video playing? You missed that entire exchange. We have sails in the back of the car, which you cannot see because Lily did not turn the camera. I am firing my junior videographer.
You look funny.
I smell.
Your girls. Oh my gosh. You said you were going to do it, Lily, and you did it.
I told you I was gonna be good at it.
I'm not a good apprentice.
Apparently.
I'm just your resident videographer.
Just my president.
Resident. And I make you ice.
My dependent.
I make you ice for your cold water and soda. Okay, hold on a second.
This is my purse. This is my hat.
Let me check out the hat. Hold on.
This is my hat.
Nice hat. Nice. Hold on. I gotta
These
get
are
the
my-
side of the hat. Nice hat.
These are my clothes. This is my purse.
And what's on your feet? Your new
These
shoes?
are my shoes.